everybody, I'm Edie and welcome to Garden of Edie. I reverse my super high blood pressure eating garden food. No pills, just plants, and you can too. So join me in my garden and join me in my kitchen and we will show you all sorts of fabulous, delicious, healthy recipes that will heal whatever ails you.
Hi everybody, it's Edie of the Garden of Edie, and today we're still spring cleaning, but we're going to spring clean, not our closets today, but we're going to spring our pantry and our freezer of winter squash. And I decided, what can I do with the winter squash that'll be really delicious? And I came up with this maple roasted winter squash avocado toast. Doesn't that sound great? And you know, by this time of the year, spring sprung, I'm not really in the mood for the heavy winter squash. I want something lighter, like zucchini and the patty pans and the yellow squash. But we have to get rid of this. I don't want to throw it away. So this is a really delicious recipe and so quick and so easy. So what you do is you peel and seed your squash, you dice it into like 1/3 inches, and then you roast it at 450 degrees, like I did here, with a little bit of maple syrup. I use this brand, but you can use anything that you'd like, or you can try this maple butter. All it is maple syrup churned into a butter, and there's no other ingredient in it, and it is delicious. So today I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna use this, I just poured just a teeny bit, like less than a teaspoon, tossed it around with some pepper, and roasted it at 450 degrees for about 30 minutes, flipping it halfway through. Now I've toasted my favorite Ezekiel bread, low sodium, because we don't need the extra salt. And what I like to do is just get a little bit of this butter. Isn't that, it's so delicious, you guys. I got it on Amazon. It's organic, and all it is there's nothing else added. So I'm just gonna smear this on this bread, just a teeny bit, not much. And then I'm mashing this avocado. Now I like to put a little bit of lime juice or lemon juice in it, just a little bit, just a tinge. And then, oh, my dog's getting to go hiking. His hiker's here. And a little black pepper. And I like to mash that all together. And then, of course, we've got to smear it on. All right. That's a whole half avocado. You don't really need the whole half. Okay? In fact, I'm going to take some of it off. Okay. Isn't that just beautiful looking? Now I like to add a few red pepper flakes because I like it spicy because, you know, I'm from Texas. But you don't have to. And some red pepper flakes, when you buy them, are spicier than others. It's very interesting. I like to try to find ones that are really spicy. And then you just add your beautiful roasted squash. This is about 1/4 pound. And then all you have to do is cut it in half. You could serve this as an hors d'oeuvre. You could cut it into quarters or thirds. And this could be a little winter squash, roasted winter maple syrup squash, little hors d'oeuvre. So we have to taste it, right? Okay. This maple butter is so much better than real butter. It's healthier. You don't use much of it, so you're not getting hardly any fat. You got to get this. I'm not sponsored by it, but boy, is it good. And it just tastes so good with the mashed avocado, the pepper, a little red pepper flake, and that maple roasted butternut squash. Not butternut, Jarradelle. This is my Jarradelle. Hope you enjoy. Happy spring cleaning. And tell me what you do with your winter squash. I love your ideas for recipes too. See you soon.